Before you begin your installation, keep in mind that the Adorne Accent Nightlight must be wired with a neutral connection. Not all homes include a neutral connection. It depends on how your home was initially wired. If your wall box only contains 2 wires plus the ground wire, you do not have a neutral connection and the accent light will not work. Always disconnect power at the breaker box before beginning work. To get started, you will need to identify the existing wires in your electrical box. The bare wire is the ground wire. In most cases, the hot wire is black and the wire from your light or load is black or red. The neutral wire is typically white. Next, position the accent light surround in front of your electrical box with the control module at the bottom. The accent nightlight ships in 2 pieces so that it can be used with adorned wall plates and devices that you have already installed. Snap the edges of the surround together so it forms a clear frame. Place the control module in your electrical box, then pull the accent light wires, as well as the wires from the box, through the opening. Place the metal frame that came with your adorned wall plate on top of the surround with the ground wire at the top. Follow device installation instructions to attach the frame's ground wire to the bare ground wire in your box. Attach the frame and the surround to your electrical box using the screws that came with the frame, taking care not to over-tighten. Next, attach the accent light's black wire to the hot wire and attach the accent light's white wire to the neutral wire. If a terminal on your switch is available, you could also use this as a connection point. Follow device installation instructions to install your devices and then snap them into the frame. You can select different light level settings after your accent light is installed. To start configuring the accent light, place your finger about ½ inch under the plate. If the room is dark, the unit will cycle through illumination levels including off, ultra low, low, medium, and high. Stop at the desired level for room conditions. If the room is bright, the accent light will display at high or off. If the light is off when the room is bright, it has been set to auto off, which means it will turn on when the room is dark, and off when the room is light. To change this setting and keep it on all of the time, simply hold your finger under the plate until the accent light turns on.